Imagine being cursed to die before your 20th birthday, unless love, spirits, and fate find a way to save you. Welcome back to Drama List, your home for the best BL, GL, and Asian dramas. And today, we are diving into one of the most unique, chilling, and breathtaking Thai BL of 2025, Kimjira. From horror to romance, past life to curses, this series has it all. So grab your popcorn, maybe turn on a light, and let's talk about Kimjira. Kimjira, also known as Kimjira Must Survive or Spirit Reborn, is a Thai BL supernatural drama produced by Mandy. It started airing on August 9th, 2025 and will run until October 25th, 2025 with a total of 12 episodes, each over an hour long. You can catch it every Saturday on IQIYI. The drama already has a strong rating of 8.4, which is pretty impressive considering it's still ongoing. The blend of horror, romance, and supernatural themes makes it stand out in the BL world. Now let's talk about the cast because honestly, this lineup is chef kiss. King Harith plays Paran, also known as Pavat, a powerful shaman with a mysterious past. Namping takes on the role of our cursed lead, Kimjira, the boy born under a deadly curse. Green as Rampueng, a strong presence with her own secrets. Tale Matmum as Chenvit, first one as Jack, Kim's loyal best friend. Pung as Chayos, who adds even more suspense to the story. The chemistry between these actors, especially Kang and Namping, is something fans are already buzzing about. Okay, let's get into the story because it's wild. Khimjira follows the life of Kim, who was born into a cursed family. According to the curse, every son will die before turning 20. To protect him, his mother gave him a girl's name, Khimjira, meaning forever safe. For years, Kim believed this trick might save him until his 19th birthday approaches. The spirit around him grows stronger, more dangerous, and harder to ignore. His path crosses with Paran, a shaman bound by his own painful past and promises, and together they confront curses, spirits, and forbidden love. Think supernatural battle, reincarnation flashbacks, haunting temples, and yes, a slow burning romance that fans are already snoozing over. Let's talk about some episodes highlights and what fans are saying. Episode 1 kicked off with a bang, rating a 9.4. Fans loved the pacing, the visual of the temples and spirits, and especially the friendship between Kim and Jack. People call it refreshing, spiritual, and genuinely spooky. By episode 2, the drama slowed down to build suspense, leaving fans debating about the romance pacing. Some want sparks right away, but many praise the show for focusing on story first, romance second. Episodes 3 to 5 are where things really heat up, with past life flashbacks, spirits battles, betrayals, and the beginning of unspoken love. Episode 5 especially left fan emotional, calling it romantic without words, love shown through actions, not just declaration. Across social media, fans are calling Kimjira one of the best BL of 2025, praising its mix of suspense and romance, and even saying it's refreshing compared to typical BL storylines. Some are even comparing it to the hits like Midnight Museum, My Golden Blood, and The Sign. Personally, I think Kim Jira is the BL we didn't know we needed this year. It's got the depth of a supernatural novel, the visual of a high budget horror, and the emotional pull of a slow burn romance. The atmosphere feels cinematic dark forest, eerie temples, and heartbreaking flashbacks. And let's be real, King as Paran absolutely face card legend. His intensity on screen has fans falling head to over heels already. What I love the most though is how the romance is tied to the curse and past lives. It's not just fluff, it's essential to the story that makes every stolen glance and every moment of care hit so much harder. So, BL fans, what do you think? Is Kimchira the perfect mix of horror and romance? Or are you waiting for the romance to fully kick in before you decide? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I love hearing your takes. And if you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss my next breakdown of the hottest BL and GL across Asia. Until next time, this is Drama List signing off. Stay safe, stay spooky, and happy drama watching. Bye bye.